How do we classify things? How doctors can find the prediction of disease? How photographers can click the best shot? How musicians can create excellent music? To master this, every human have taken years of efforts, and we get it wrong over and over again until eventually we get it right. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer vision are taking up on the world. And during this, we have started a course which will level up your existing knowledge to compete this AI world. Object Detection with TensorFlow Fast Track Machine Learning course. Specialty of this course is that to learn this course, you don't need any coding skill or coding background because everything is already covered that you need to know. And after learning this course, you can definitely create applications like tomato disease detection, thyroid disease detection, human activity recognition, person counting, industrial part inspection, and many more applications you can create and learn within a less time. While learning this course, you will get step-by-step installation guide, required files so that your learning should get smoother. We have focused on the structure of the course so that non-technical person can also learn this course and train the machine learning model. You will get the idea that how your machine learning model is created along with the official certification. This course is completely error-free. Still, if you have any doubt, we have created a WhatsApp community to encourage your learning. To learn this course, you need a laptop, a desktop, along with the Windows or Mac or Linux operating system. After learning this course, you can create any industrial machine learning application, startup idea, or you can apply for the post of machine learning developer, AI developer, and data scientist. Now, enroll this course as soon as possible because computers are learning faster than you. And we request you to all, if you like the course, please submit your ratings and reviews because it will encourage us to create more courses. Happy learning!